Thinking about taking this right here at the 98 if we bounce back up to it. I think we'll do another rotation and see if we didn't break that F high. And we're in. I'm looking at possibly 91.50. My first target. And, maybe down in here for my second, depending on how we move through here. I'm going to watch this POC. And then, anything, I have a stop up here at 101.25, so I'd probably be out of it before that. Right at that low though. So the whole idea here is that it doesn't break this F. So I want to see this kind of fall back into this range. So really anything over that F, but if it started headed this direction, I would just get out of this. I wouldn't even wait for that. I want to see this fall back in here. And if we don't start to fall back in here quickly, I'll close out of this. So we're looking there and possibly down here. So you want to see, I have it highlighted here, this node. So I want to see us get back into this node. Right at it here. Then you want to watch this POC area. You're looking for a bounce, looking for this to come down and bounce. And that would be a reason to get out of this. Otherwise, we should move right through here. And our first target would be here at 91.75. We'll just put it at 92. I'll put one down here at 86. See what kind of momentum we can get. Oh, 86.25. We need to watch this area right here. See they're, kind of bouncing out of here. Don't want to be in this if they're going to start working their way back up towards this VWAP. Here's the entry right here at 98. I want to see some progress. Otherwise, I'll close it here. There's really no reason they should be getting held up here. There, we're back into it. See if we can keep going. See how it's kind of getting hung up there at the top of this node. If we get there, this first one will be 26. You can see I'm just front running the edge of this node down here for this first one. You could come down in here, but I'll move that stop down in that second one and see if we can stretch it out a little farther. There, we're pushing in a little bit. Now, same thing, you're watching this POC, see if you get that same bounce out of there. It really come down much more than we already are on this. I feel like if this is going to work, it should, come right through here. It shouldn't get caught up at this POC. Just kind of walking these stops down because I have a feeling it's going to bounce out of here. There's no point in giving any of this back. Maybe not. If you're counting this as a new profile here with this low off this E, then basically you're single time framing up at this point. That's why I'm, being very careful with this, with this POC in the top of this node, because this is exactly what it would look like if you started going the other, started working your way up. It would come down here, and then this one's going to come here. This next one's going to come down a little less, and then eventually it's going to break this top and, come up into this area. Looks like it wants to go. It takes out the first one. Bring this down. Where's that POC at? About 4. Go right there with the POC. You can also see on this delta chart right here, there's a lot of buying. So that's one of the reasons why I put that order there. Because if we were going to turn, that's at the edge of that node. And there's also this volume and delta here. So it's a good spot where this still could turn around here, and then you'd want to just get out of this. But this is our other order down here. I'm watching to see if we can get going. You can see right here, it is bouncing off this level, but it's just whether it's going to turn or is it going to, be able to push through here. Money is here at 3. Thought there was a chance that we might extend it a little further because we tried to come up here with F. So I thought we would try to push lower if we did get down here. But if we don't, then that's a good sign, that this is going to try to move up here. Not that it won't end up coming down ultimately, but, in the meantime, we could come up into this area. This would be a nice short up here. I think I will bring this down. That's right at that 20 ticks, which is right there. And if we get down to this area, I'll secure this 27 as well. But I think if we do break this, it'll get moving pretty good. Otherwise, it's going to take us out here at the 93. Yep.